Hello friends, I am Hardik Patel. Welcome back to Python tutorial. So today I am going to explain how if-else statements work in Python. So there are many types of if-else are there, like normal if-else. Then there are multiple conditions are there, that if, else if, and then else. Then there is another that is nested if-else, that we if inside that if condition another if, then inside another if, like that. Okay. And one more thing we are going to see, that what are the conditional operator we can use, that we have already learned about that in operators video, but today we are also going to do the practical on that. So let's start. Okay, so I have already put one variable, that is dictionary, and inside that I have put 4 values. As usual, I just take the example of person, so that is first name, last name, age, and then gender. Okay, now first we will see that normal if condition. Okay, let's so what you write in this here, of course you have to write something here, right? And what is that? That is something that is, it can be a value, it can be a function, calling function, or it can be just a conditional statement, but it should return boolean value. That means 0 or 1 or true false. So that's the same, right? But it should be a boolean return value. Let's say for example person. If I write like this, person, and just I do the print, just I will let person exist. Okay, just save it and then run. You can see the answer, person exists. Okay, so now next is that else, print person doesn't exist. Okay, now if I save that, and so this is blank, I am overriding that person variable here by just assigning that blank dictionary, so that means it is blank. So whenever anything blank, like if it's the blank tuple, or it's a blank list, and then it's a normal blank string, something like this, just like that, then also it will return the false value whenever you try to write in if condition. So that means, so just I like this write this statement, that is if person, and it will Python will check that what is person, so that is dictionary, right? But inside the dictionary there is no key, that means it is blank, and that's why it will return false, and then it will go to the else statement. And let's run it. You will see there, here it is, person doesn't exist. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is just normal if else, right? Now we will see that like if, else if, elif, and then else. Okay, so let's do that. So if what I will do that in this, so if more than 25 age is there, then I will just write that print statement, the person is older than 25. If it is 25, then just I will write that person is 25, and if it is less than that, so that means I don't need to write the statement for that less than, because we can do that in else statement. Okay, so let's try it. Person greater than 25, so not person but person of age of person, and like this you can write the statement. Now this is another thing, this is conditional argument we have just put, like is it greater than this? What it will do, it will just give a yes or no, that means true or false, right? So that's called just if else statement. Now print, inside that I will write that person is older than 25. Okay, and else if, and inside that expression, and then pass. So that is called conditional expression, where always expression should return false or true. So let's write again that person age should be 25, then print person is 25. Okay, now no only else is remaining, right? Because greater than 25 is equal to 25, there is no other way, only else is there. So no condition will be remained in this case. Person print person is younger than 25. Okay, now I am commenting this statement so we can see better, and also I am commenting this blank statement and then just run again. Okay, so now person is older than 25, right? Yes. And now if I make 23 here and save it and then run again, then you can see that person is younger than 25, right? So that's how if, else, elif and then else works. Now let's comment it out again and we will see later. Nested if else. If now in this case what I will do that this is just we have assumed that age is already there in person, but if I remove this, then it will give an exception, right? So for before that, if you are not sure that it will be not there or it will be there 100% accurate, then you can do that. I know that age will be there 100% sure, but if it is sometimes confusion, right? So will it be there or not? I don't know. Then in that case we need to check that first, is that key available inside the dictionary, then only I will check the value of that, right? So for that, let's do that. Again, expression, that is age in person dot keys. Okay, so here what you can see, now we have used in operator in this, that is you can say membership operator. So is age is available in this list, so always after in you have to mention the list, and this keys method returns the list of keys. So that keys will be first name, last name, age and gender, and age is available there, that means it will go under inside that if. Now again if so what I will do that, if age is more than 18, then this person is eligible for driving license, right? So let's do that. Person of age more than 18. Okay, now again now person is greater than 18, but if I want to see that I want to allow only male persons to be allowed to have a driving license, then what I will do, there will be another if condition, that is if, and again I have to check that the gender is available or not, so person dot keys. Okay, and then I will write that print person is eligible for driving license. Okay, if I am writing any function, I can just return that value as that true. So whenever someone call, like I have just written a function like is eligible, then I just call that is eligible and I will just pass the dictionary, it will automatically give me the answer, that is true or false, right? So like this. So this is, you can see here, if, and then also it can be else, like this. So print person is not eligible for license. Okay, same way right, and same way here. Okay, so this is how you can write nested if else. But one more thing I wanted to explain here, that in if condition we can use conditional operators, or, and, like. Also you can write like this, then you can write this one as well, sorry, like this, but I will use this one. Okay, so age should be there inside the keys, and gender also for the eligibility, right? So why should I go for this if inside that if, and again I want to check that gender is available or not? Then instead of that, I'll just what I will do, check that gender in person dot keys. Okay, and so now what happens is that if age and gender both are available in the keys, then only it will go inside this loop, otherwise it will go in else, right? So now this is removed, right? Okay, now what we will do, now age is available, gender is available, and I guess we missed out something in our last statement, like we just checked that gender is available or not, but we haven't checked that is he male or female, or is he male or is he female, right? So for that, what we will do, we don't need this, right? Because we have checked already in the parent if condition. So what I will do, just person must be greater than 18, and person of gender must be male, right? Like that, and then you can read print eligible. Okay, like this. So let's run this. I guess I forgot to run earlier one. Let's do that. This is also consider that if else, and inside the if else, that means it's a nested if else. Okay, so let's run this. So what is the error here? Yeah, here we forgot to double quote. Okay, no problem. Yeah, so you can see here I am eligible, this person is eligible for driving license. Okay, now if I do this 15 and then save it, and if I run that, the person is not eligible for license. Even I am doing this 25, and then I just check female, and if I save that, again I will run. Let's put this one. Okay, and then run. You can see here. So what is person's age? 25. On 25 greater than 18? No, right? It's greater than 18. But if you see the gender, that is female, and that is not. That means both are not matching. So it will not go inside this eligible, but instead of that it will go in a, let me mark more and then continue. It will go automatically inside the else and just print it will. So let's continue. It is printed. It will no go. It will not go in else, and just complete the program. So that's how you can do if else, right? And also you can use operators instead of and. You can also use or, right? So all the cases are there, you can use in a if else. Okay, so that's it for this. In next session I will explain for loop and while loop, so you will have more learning curve for that. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.